This checkup video deals with the risk of mixing up the tensioner and deflection pulleys in the CT1038 K1 and K2 kits. You must pay close attention with these kits, as the tensioner and deflection pulleys look almost identical with only a small difference in size. The tensioner pulley has a diameter of 63.7 mm, and the deflection pulley, that's the upper pulley, measures 67 mm across. As a result, it's very easy to quickly pull the old pulleys off the engine while removing the belt and, because they look so similar, forget which is which before fitting the new ones. So, when doing this, remember that the smaller of the two, the tensioner pulley, is the lower pulley. I hope that made sense. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like or post a comment. See you next time in the workshop.